Island Student News. Every week we will be broadcasting our school's events.
This week activities include Boy Scouts and Penny Toss on Friday.
And now with the weather, Elsa.
PISN weather! Thanks, America. The weather for the week looks pretty nice. Monday is partly cloudy with a high of 75 and low of 61. To Tuesday, there is a 30 chance of storm and a high of 74 and a low of 59. Wednesday will be partly cloudy with a high of 76 and a low of 61. Thursday will be partly cloudy with a high 79 and a low of 62. Friday there will be partly cloudy with a high of 82 and a low of 66. Back to you.
We will be conducting 2 interviews each week.
The first interview is Leo and Edith.
So Edith, I understand you are attending classes here at night classes here at Migrant School. How long have you been a student here at Bold Migrant School?
About 7 years.
I have been seeing you around the day. What are you up to?
Helping everybody out.
What part of this job do you like most? Do you enjoy most?
Breaks.
What part of the job don't you enjoy?
I like everything.
What do you like to do when you're not at school?
Sleep.
It's been a pleasure visiting with you. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Our next interviews is Ruby and Nilda.
Today I'm visiting with Nelda, our Chief Sanitation Engineer. How long have you worked here in Migrant School?
Este va a ser mi 4º año que voy a estar trabajando con ustedes.
What's your favorite part of this job?
Mi parte favorita de este trabajo es cuando los veo a ustedes en los talent shows que practican, cuando van a practicar, cuando lo hacen, cuando escogen un ganador, cuando todas las clases lo están haciendo. Eso es que me gusta.
What's your least favorite part of this job?
Listo. Lo que menos me gusta de este trabajo es cuando me tiran basura y yo los miro quién es. Es lo que no me gusta.
Do you have another job when you are not in school?
Sí, tengo otro trabajo cuando no estoy en la escuela. Este año empecé a cuidar bebés de 3 semanas a 1 año en un daycare en Texas. Y de ahí cambian ellos a otra sección. Pero mientras que están en ese tiempo, en esa edad, yo los estoy cuidando junto con otra persona. Estamos encargadas de cuidar esos bebés. Y a veces voy y trabajo en la labor cuando estoy aquí, a levantar piedra o al asadón. Pero cuando estoy en Texas, hago lo del daycare.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate this job?
Un 8. Me gusta mi trabajo.
What do you like to do when you're not at work?
Me gusta salir con mi niña, ir de compras con ella y con su papá. Vamos a los parques, a ella le gusta mucho ir a pescar y a mí también me gusta. Los 3 nos vamos juntos a pescar y a hacer cosas afuera de la casa.
I know you are a busy person and you need to go back to work. Thank you for cleaning our school.
Muchas gracias, Ruby.
Here's Desiree with the joke of the week.
What do you call a chocolate Easter bunny that was out in the sun too long?
What, Desiree?
A runny bunny.
This concludes the Bird Island Student News.
Thanks for watching. Tune in next week for another edition for our broadcast.